friends, this is Shishant. You are watching YouTube channel Keeps Learning, Happy Learning. Acknowledge the knowledge by exploring yourself within. Friends, this video is going to be very special for you because in this video I am going to talk about some of the online workshop as well some of the online symposium. So for more information, please stay tuned, keeps on watching, keeps on learning. As I said that in this video we are going to discuss about some of the online workshop as well as some of the online symposium. So I am going to start with online symposium. So in this category, our first symposium, that is International Symposium on Placemaking, Cultural Landscapes and Urban Future, which is going to held from 8th February to 10th February 2021, and the theme of the symposium is going to be Placemaking, Cultural Landscapes and Urban Settlements. Okay, and the last date of abstract submission is 30th August. The notification of acceptance of abstract will be going to give on 15th September, and the commencement of registration will start from 17th October. For more information, you can join our group. This symposium is going to organized by Department of Geography, Osmania University, Hyderabad. So our next symposium is on teaching practices, shifting paradigms, which is going to held on 11th July from 11 am to 1:30 pm, and the last date of registration is 10th July, and it's totally free, and which is going to organized by Gujranwala Guru Nanak Institute of Management and Technology, Ludhiana. So friends, this is what all about online symposiums. Now I am moving for our next category, that is the online workshop. So in this category, our first workshop is on Arduino with tinkercad open source real-time emulator, which is going to held on 11th July from 11 am onwards, and the last date of registration is 10th July 11 am. And in this workshop we are going to learn about basic electronic circuits building using real-time simulator, electronic circuit assemblies, introduction to Arduino UNO microcontroller development board, features of real-time simulator, experiments with real-time simulator. And this workshop is going to organized by Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering, Alia University, Kolkata. So our next workshop, that is on NAAC accreditation and college libraries, which is going to held on 10th July from 4 pm onwards, and which is going to organized by Sri Pundalik Maharaj Mahavidyalaya. So our next workshop is on R for biologists, which is going to held on 18th July from 10 am to 4 pm, and it's totally free, and which is going to organized by Bioinformatics Center Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. So our next workshop is 5 days hands-on workshop, that is Staad PRO, and which is going to held from 13th July to 17th July. And actually this workshop is the paid one. You have to pay 100 rupees for this, and it is going to organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Nalla Malla Reddy Engineering College. Our next workshop, that is International Workshop on Women's Health and Nutrition, Emerging Trends and Challenges, which is going to held on 1st August and 2nd August from 3 pm to 5 pm, and which is going to organized by Saksham Society, Jaipur, Rajasthan, in association with New World Life Organization, Human Rights Limit, Sri Lanka. Our next workshop is on research methodology, multivariate analysis, which is going to held on 11th and 12th July from 11 am to 1 pm, and which is going to organized by hisashiexcellence Education Private Limited. So friends, our next workshop, that is the last one, that is International Workshop on Project Report Documentation through Latex Data, which is going to held on 10th July from 10 am to 1 pm. And actually this workshop is the paid one. So if you are corporate executive you have to pay 400 rupees. If you are academician, you have to pay 300 rupees. If you are PhD scholar or PG and UG student, you have to pay 200 rupees. And this workshop is going to organized by Raja Balwant Singh, Engineering Technical Campus, Agra. So friends, this is what all about online workshop. As well, I have already discussed about online symposium. So friends, still if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. As well, press the bell button. So whenever we'll upload our next video, you'll get the notification. Thank you.